Sunod dyan number 30. Del.
Okay, so magandang umaga po sa ating lahat and welcome to our continuing coverage of the Kara 2025. Ito po ang ating basketball game in the secondary. So, we are now in the semifinals of the secondary basketball for men. So, live na live po tayo ngayon dito sa CCDC. The home of the Admirals. So first blood is by Baguio City. So naka-upshoot po sila ng 3. And by the way, this is already the semifinals. Ang Baguio City versus Tabuk City. At mamaya po ay malalaman na rin po natin kung sino po ang papasok sa finals between Baguio City and Abra. So magandang umaga po. This is the start of the semifinals between Tabuk City and Baguio City. So ang mananalo po dito automatically enters the finals. So napaka-importante po ng game na ito para sa dalawang koponan. This is the semi-final round, meaning this is a do or die. Ang mananalo po dito papasok sa finals at ang losing team pang third place po ang labanan. So ang score po natin 3-1, 9 minutes 26. Offensive rebound. So we have a foul. I think will be called on number it's a double foul, number 6. Okay, ball possession will stay with Baguio City. Although there is a double foul, so susundin po dyan kung saan ang possession. Number 13, that's Dangatan. 9 minutes.
Number 17, third personal foul, third team foul.
9 minutes. 5-1 ang ating score. Lamang ng apat ang Baguio City. Ayan, ulitin dahan-dahan. Nakakuha ng Tabuk City. 8 minutes 38. Blocking foul Rimando of Baguio City. Para bigyan po natin ang mga players on the floor para sa Tabuk City. We have Ambit 1. We have number 6 Bayog, number 16 Kabadu, Molina number 20 and Mundo number 33. Another foul here by number 5 of Baguio City, itong si Junicio. Five to 1, 8 minutes 32. Sa mga nanonood po ngayong umaga, maraming salamat po at magandang umaga. Live po tayo dito po sa Cordillera Career Development College Gymnasium, the home of the Admirals. Inuulit po natin, this is the semi-final round of the men's secondary basketball ng Kara 2025. So kanina binanggit po natin ang unang 5 ng Tabuk City. Dumako naman po tayo sa Baguio City. We have Tyler Baclig, number 22. Junicio, number 5. Mariano, number 17. We have number 4 itong si Mondina, and we have number 1 Rimando. So ito na po ang Tabuk City. Bayog blocked by Junicio. Ito na ang Baguio City, tumatakbo. Counter steal and a blocking violation committed by number 20 of Tabuk City.
Substitution.
That is on Molina.
Substitution.
So meron po tayong substitution. Carantes pumasok na. As they're traveling, number 4, that is on Montana. 7:51. 5-2 ang ating score. Full court press ang ginagawa dito ng Baguio City. Nice layup by number 11 of Tabuk. That is Ambit. Another violation. Too strong.
Not a ball.
Ambit fakes. Ayog. Hounded by Maxi Carantes. Ayog. Nice interception and a steal by Baguio City. Ito na si Mariano. Mariano, 2 points. 7 minutes, 3 seconds, 7-4. Bayog again against Maxi Carantes. Good defense by Baguio. Another steal. Mariano tumatakbo. Listen foul. Ang itatawag dito kay number 11 City. Itong si Ambit Juan. I think Juan is a bit dizzy. Is asking for his substitution here. Natamaan po sa mata. Itong si Ambit Jr. He needs a rest. Kailangan siya magpahinga dahil masakit. Stay on the floor. 6 minutes 52 seconds. Tawag dito kay Ambit Junior. I think it's still feeling yung ang kanyang tama sa kanang mata. Parang nahihilo po si Ambit. Mondina. Si Mariano. Balik dito kay Mondina. Mondina titira ng 3. Wala. Towering rebound by Mundo. A very good point guard. Ang kanyang mga galawan itong si Mundo. Triple team. Ito na si Maxi maagawan. Kick ball. So ang possession will stay for Baguio City. 6-11. 7-4. Inuulit po natin. Ito na po ang semi-final round. Ang mananalo po dito ay papasok na po sa finals or championship ng men's secondary. Tabuk City. Good defense. Kaya lang, ganda doon ng interception nitong si Mondina. Bitawan lang niya yung bola. De Leon will check in at papalitan nitong si Mariano. 5 minutes 52. 7-4 ang ating score. Baguio City up by 3. Abacan. Also a very good ball handler for Tabuk City. We have two guards for Tabuk. Mundo was fouled.
Number 31. 2 people. Number 31. First personal foul. Penalty.
5 minutes 29. First free throw ni Mundo. Two for Mundo, 5 minutes 26. Nice reverse layup by Aquino. 9-6. Pressure defense applied by Baguio City. Abacan di diretso. Abacan sidestep. So foul on number 31. That is on Aquino.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
It's a penalty.
.457.
Number 33. First personal foul. Third team foul.
4 minutes 57, 9-6 is our count, 3-point lead for Baguio City. Dangatan first three.
Wala. Concept rebound. Baguio City. That's Aquino.
Another one, Dangatan, follow up.
4 minutes and 40 seconds time remaining. Your first foul.
4:28. 11-6. Here comes Baguio City. De Leon tumatakbo. De Leon. No basket. Good defense by Tabuk. Bagan, Hereza. Kabadu.
Against the 2-ball.
4 minutes 5 seconds.
Substitution. Number 31. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty.
Three minutes 46, 11-9 ang ating score.
Number 16. Number 16. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. One for penalty.
43-46. 12-9 ang ating score. Tatlo ang lamang ng Baguio City. Wala pa rin ang free throw. Hindi pumasok ang free throw itong si Mondina. Guzman for 3. No. City, ito na tumatakbo. Well done. Another double foul on number 33, I think, and number 31.
Three fouls na yun, sir. 3 fouls na yung 31.
3 minutes 22.
Third one of Baguio, 33 of Tabuk. Double foul.
3 minutes 22. Both teaming penalty. 12-9. Mondina for 3. Bola ng Tabuk City.
City basketball.
Three minutes 15 seconds. Kapuyan to Abakan. Good pick by Kapuyan. Nice cut. Ito na. Bayog. Florio. Wala. Rebound number 11. Here comes De Leon. Mondina. Intercepted by Tabuk City. 12-9. Abakan. To Bayog. Bayog. Range Mondina. Good pick. By Hireza. Pero it's a moving pick. Kaya tatawagan ito ng offensive foul. 2 minutes 28. 12-9 is our count. Tatlo po ang lamang dito ng Baguio City. We are in the opening quarter. 2 minutes 28. Both teams penalty. Again, this is the semifinal round of the men's secondary basketball. 2 minutes 28 in the first quarter. De Leon. De Leon for 3. Short.
Tabuk City basketball.
Scoring drought for both teams. Kanina pa to. Itong score natin, 12-9. Another turnover for Tabuk City.
Baguio basketball.
De Leon. Ito na. Abakan. One minute 56. Abakan. Time for him to complete the 3-point play. So may timeout dito ang Baguio City. Under 2 minutes po ang ating opening quarter. 1 minute 56. 12-11 so far. So good.
Penalty.
Magandang pinapakita rito ng ating ng koponan ng Tabuk City, no? So kaya nga, no, they are just behind by a single point, and ito naman Baguio City, they need to put more pressure, they need to put more offensive plays, no, for their team. 1 minute 56. Again, this is the semi-final round basketball. So, yan. Tingnan din natin siyempre ang ating mga technical officials. Si Crescente de la Cruz of Apayao, Briner Ian Tayaban of Benguet, and Dennis Escalante of Abra at syempre ang ating tournament director Daniel Ambasin ng Mountain Province. So ang napapanood niyo po ngayon ay ang semi-final round between Baguio City and Tabuk City. And ang mananalo po dito automatically advances to the championship o ang ating final. At mamaya naman sa ating second game, ang Benguet naman makakalaban po ang Abra para sa men's secondary semi-final. So mamaya kung sino rin po ang mananalo sa Benguet versus Abra, siya na rin po automatic ang papasok sa championship. At mamaya naman alas 10:30 ng umaga ang men's elementary division Baguio versus Abra para din sa championship. So it's going to be a very interesting ball game dito po sa ating Karaa 2025. Atid po sa inyo ng Cordillera Career Development College. Nakagawa na naman ang steal, counter steal for Tabuk City. 1 minute 37, number 30, 3-point shot. Medyo malakas ang kanyang tira. Ito na si Madriaga, nakakakuha ng bola. Parang inagawan ng Candy. Itong si Jereza. Maxi, nice stop. Pero napunta sa ibang player. Abakan, side stepping move. 1 minute 14. Tabuk now on top by 2. 14-12. Orpilla for 3. Wala. Maxi, offensive rebound. Nabitawan ng bola. Junicio. Nice drop to Carantes. Pero may foul na itatawag laban kay Jereza ng Tabuk. Under 1 minute, 57.2 seconds. 14-12. So chance here for Junicio to equalize the score if he sinks these 2 free throws. Baguio, possession, nabitawan ng bola. Ito na ang Tabuk City, tumatakbo, 14-13. Good follow-up by Balog. Tabuk shouting defense. Kong. Kuha na naman ng Tabuk City ang bola. Bitawan, sayang. Ito na ang Baguio City. Junicio, tumatakbo. Junicio. Euro step. And that's the end of the first quarter. 15-16. Single digit lead for Tabuk City. So magbabalik po tayo para etid po sa inyo ang ating second quarter action between Tabuk City and Baguio City.
Bakit ganun yung kable natin, yung daanan doon? Check mo man. Mac, check mo man na kasi kable tayo dyan. Pag nanti tao Jay. Nakakasi. Kapag nakasjay kita man, ipagsaksakang sa Jay.
Basketball.
galit sa south mo parang pinag-take. Galot dito, mga wire day. Anday nga wire. Junior music kita. Kamali dito naman ito
That's your first personal foul. Personal foul on the second quarter.
Palang dito. Pangkulatan sa instruction ako.
9:37, 16 all ang ating score. So far, so good. This is a very tight ball game. 9 minutes 35. First team foul for Tabuk City. A very competitive match-up between Baguio and Tabuk. Ito na, maglalabas ng bola. Itong si Maxi Carantes, naghahanap ng papasahan. Junicio iikot. Junicio, pumps no. Good defense by Tabuk. Ito na, si Abakan against Junicio. Abakan yung diretso. Floater. Nice touch. Madriaga. Substitution here. Mondina papasok at lalabas naman itong si Maxi Carantes. 16 all ang ating score. Good D. Junicio tumatakbo. Madraga asking for the ball. Oh, that's Mariano. I'm sorry. So Mariano pala yung humihingi ng bola for that fast break. Mariano against Abakan. Abakan haunted by Mariano. 3 blue shirts. We have a held ball. 18-16. Possession will go to Baguio City. Kabadu will check in for number 20. Ilalabas itong si Molina. Mariano for 3. No. Outside.
Tabuk City basketball.
Tabuk City possession. 8 minutes 54. 18-16 ang ating score. Abakan. Nice board by Kabadu. Mondina. Turnover for Baguio City. Guzman. Ito na, si Mondina. Mondina, nice cut by Mariano. 8 minutes, 8 seconds. Another turnover for Tabuk. Mondina for 3. No. Seven minutes 57, 2018. Baguio City on top by 2. Good defense. Ito. Ako. Turnover. What a defense shown by number 17. That is on Mariano. Ito, papasok si Serfino. At papalitan itong si Guzman ng Tabuk. Mondina. Mariano, good cut by Baklig. Mariano titira na naman ang 3. Finally, money for Mariano. 7 minutes 27, 18-23. Diba na ang lamang dito ng Baguio City. Mariano, binigay kay Mondina to Dionisio. coaching staff ng Tabuk City tumawag kagad ng timeout dahil medyo lumalaki na po ang kalamangan dito ng Baguio City. 25-18, 7-point lead being enjoyed by the City of Baguio. 7 minutes, 18 seconds.
Shooting of the second quarter.
May mahaba ka ba nga dyan? Then, sa monitor mo ng audio, meron kaya tayong mahabang video. Parang yun,
Violation. Baguio City basketball. Direction of play.
mahaba, no?
Tabuk City basketball.
Seven minutes, 7 seconds, 25-18. Mundo, high looper, wala. Last catch, Baguio City. So mananatili po ang bola dito sa koponan ng Tabuk City. 6 minutes, 56, 25-18. Mundo ulit, titira, floater is good. Ito na ang Baguio City, Junicio. Sa baseline, Junicio. Pabitin na tira, pasok. 6:40, 27-20. Pagod na itong si Mariano, humihingi siya ng substitution dito. So, hintay lang natin ang deadlock na para makalabas itong si Mariano. Cabadu to Serpino. Serpino gagamit ng board. 2 points. 27-22. 6 minutes 17 seconds. Junicio. 1-on-1. Junicio penetrates. Junicio na naman nakakuha ng offensive rebound doon. Ito, Mondina.
Jersey number 1 of Tabuk. Serpino.
27-22. Papasok itong si Carantes at Ginoon. Papalitan itong si Bakit. De Leon. Traveling yan. No? Kita natin. Yung hakbang itong si Junicio bago i-dribble yung bola. 5:54, 27-22. 5 ang lamang ng City of Fine. Serpino, nabitawan ng bola. Ito na. Madriaga fakes. Madriaga using the ball. Wala. Teresa pulling that rebound. Ambit Junior. Pasok yung kanyang tira. 5:35. 27-24. De Leon. Nahanap si Junicio. Junicio fakes. Junicio reverse. Is good. (29-24). 5 minutes 18 seconds. Ambit Junior. Hounded by Baguio City. Ito, Baguio City nakakompleto ng steal. Follow up by Junicio. 31-24. Ito na ang Baguio. Nagpo-full court press. Pero may foul on Maxi Carantes.
number 24, Morantes Maximus. That's a first personal foul.
Medyo advantage itong si Cabado dahil ang laki po nitong si Cabado. And not just tall, pero he's a strong player. Imbit, lalabas ng bola. Serfino against Junicio. Serfino, one-on-one. Junicio, wow. Ito, kukompleto na ng steal ang Baguio City.
The longest 7.
Yung pressure defense pa ng Baguio City talaga makikita po ninyo. Sobrang higpit. Ito, libre. Cabado. Nagwa sa opensa itong Tabuk City. De Leon, hinahanap itong si Mundina. Back to De Leon. Ito, nagka si Maxi Carantes. Maxi, pull-up jumper. No. Cabado ulit para sa rebound. Ito na naman ang pressure ng Baguio City. Mondina and Mundo. Good pick by Jereza. Wow, what a escape and what a drive by Mundo. Ito na. Mondina nabitawan ng bola. Ito na ang Tabuk City. Serpino. Mundo, gumugulo ang buhay nitong si De Leon. Nakakompleto na nila ang steal. Junicio! 3-point play, 3 minutes 44, 35-28.
Number 1. Jersey number 1. Serpino marching. That's your second personal foul.
35-28, 3 minutes 44.
Back out!
8-point lead for Baguio City. Crowd chanting defense. Cabado, handled by Dangatan. Naibaba na ng Tabuk ang bola. Abakan to Bayog. Pick by Cabado to Abakan. Abakan for 3. No. Rims out. Kuha pa rin ng Tabuk ang bola. Tabuk pa rin. Ambit Jr. Finally, 2 points para sa Tabuk. 36-30. 3 minutes 12 seconds. Banda ay Mondina. Titira ng 3. Wala. Bola ulit ng Tabuk City. Tabuk tumatakbo. Abakan. Abakan was not aware no, na merong depensa sa kanyang likod. Buti na lang nung natapik walang player doon ng Baguio City. And it's out of bounds. 2 minutes 58, 36-30. Anim po ang lamang ng City of Baguio. Again, this is the semi-final round. Ang mananalo po dito ay mag-a-advance na po sa finals. At mamaya po sa ating second game, ang Benguet naman po makakaharap ang Abra. 2 minutes 55. Titira ng 3. Wala. Last touch on number 1. That is on Rimando. Bola ng Tabuk City. Ambit for 3. Wala. Cabado. Wow. Muscles his way. Number 16. That's Cabado. 2 minutes 15. 36-30.
Number 5, Junicio Lorenzo. That's your second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Junicio. Cabado too strong sa kanyang free throw. Two minutes 15, 36-30. Tabuk has 3 team fouls against 2 for Baguio City. Split charities para dito kay Cabado. And Baguio City will take his timeout. 2 minutes 15, 36-31. Lamang po ng 5 itong City of Pines.
Laying resume of the second quarter. And we need 2 minutes 15 seconds.
Magbabalik po tayo sa ating ball game. 2 minutes 15 seconds, 36-31. 5-point lead para sa City of Baguio. Mariano to Mondina. Ortilia. Good cut by Baklig using his right body. And matatawagan ng foul. So itong si Baklig titira po ng 2 free throws.
13, number 17.
So foul doon itong si Hireza ng Tabuk City. 1 minute 58. Baklig. Nice free throw and nice stroke. (37-31). At this time hindi tumama. Sa rin yung free throw nitong si Baklig. 1 minute 54. Ambet, titira ng 3. Money for Ambet, 3 points. 141. Rimando. So foul on Rimando. And Baguio City is not yet in the penalty. So pang-apat pa lang yan.
13, number 1. Rimondo Mafio.
Pang-apat
That's your
o
second
pangatlong
personal
team foul for Baguio City. Ito naman pong Tabuk ay meron pong 4. 37-34 ang ating score. Lamang ng 4 or 3 itong City of Pines. Ambet Jr. Mukhang itong si Ambet Jr. now a mark man para sa Tabuk o para sa Baguio City. Short. League, nakalimutan mag-back out. Pero ito nakabawi. Sinimando. Mariano. Malakas yung pasa. Sayang. 1 minute 11. 37-34 para dito sa ating second quarter. Cabado. Collado. Buti na lang na-recover ni Collado, no? It wasn't medyo sloppy yung play doon. Ambit to ito na si Orpilla. Orpilla, 2 points. Under 1 minute. 39-34. 44 seconds. Collado. Abakan. Back to Collado. Behind the back. Ambit. Libre na naman sa 3. Medyo kinulang. Yung kanyang tira. Orpilla. Mariano naman ang titira ng 3. Okay. Nice offensive rebound para kay Baklig. So he will be awarded 2 free throws doon po sa kanyang effort.
26 of Queen City. Queen Tinker. That's your first personal foul.
Okay, first free throw nitong si Baklig hindi pumasok and the second free throw. Reading these comments from our televiewers, magaganda yung kanilang mga observation. Sabi ni Ryan Dave, paspasan nyo ti transition ta na lukmag ko na. Well, wala peso, no, kasi pagka medyo malakat na taba, medyo babagal nga yung and these are just some observations, no? Pero mind you, Baklig, don't be deceived by his physique dahil kahit mataba po itong si Baklig talagang tumatakbo po ito. And yesterday, we were able to witness kung paano tumakbo at dumive sa bola itong si Baklig. So, ang score po natin, 39-34, 8.1 seconds po ang natitira dito sa ating first half. Meron pong 5 team foul ang Tabuk, 3 naman po ang Baguio City. So, sa lahat po, magandang umaga po sa inyo. We have 322 watching right now, watching our live coverage kung saan hatid po sa inyo ng Cordillera Career Development College, the home of the Admirals. Ayan. (39-34), 8 seconds, enough time or enough play para dito sa team ng Tabuk City. Ito ang Baguio City, 3 seconds, aabot ba? Sayang. So that's the end of the first half, 39-34. So far, lamang ng 5 ang Baguio City. So we will just
Baguio City.
for some reminder.
Start of the third quarter. Yes, sir.
Okay, so nagbabalik po tayo sa ating coverage. 9:52, 34-39. Lamang ng 5 ang Baguio City. 3 points ni Dionisio. 9:37. So Baguio City up by 8. 8 na ang number 16 si Cabado na Blanca. Ito na agawang bola dito. Good save. But possession will stay para sa Tabuk City. 9 minutes 20, 34-42. Itong si Cabado binibigyan ng instruction ng coaching staff. Number 6. Itong si Bayog. Cabado traveling.
Baguio City.
34-42. Dionisio to Mariano. Mariano for 3. Money for Mariano. 34-45. Baguio City now on top by 11. Abakan to Ambit. Ambit hounded by Dionisio. Ito na. Abakan ulit. Balik ang bola sa kanya. Laban dito kay Mariano. Mariano kinukulit itong si Abakan. Nakakompleto ni Mariano ang spin. Montina. Uh-oh. I think that's not a regular foul. They're asking for a deliberate foul. I think it was an intentional foul committed by one of the player of Tabuk City. Kitang-kita po natin dito sa harapan nung inampas po ng braso, no? Although he really wanted to stop that play, I don't think it's an intentional, kaya lang medyo malakas po yung pagkakahampas po dito, kaya tatawagan po ng technical foul.
Ball possession.
I think that is on Bayog, itong si Bayog. And pakaganda pong tignan dahil itong pong mismong si Bayog, nilapitan niya itong si Mondina at humingi siya ng siya po ay nag-apologize. So, this is just a basketball. At the end of the day, magkakasama yung mga yan. Magkakampi ang mga yan. Kita naman natin, immediately, itong si Bayog approach itong si one of yung tinamaan kanina at humingi siya ng siya po ay nag-apologize. Ano naman ang maganda. Ito na ang Tabuk City. Double team. Itong si Bayog. Cabado to Bayog. Bayog. Ambit. Titira ng thread. All board. Pero nakakuha ni Bayog for EC2. 8 minutes, 9 seconds. 36-47. Oh, offensive foul. Kitang-kita yung number 1. Itong si Rimando warning off one of the player of Tabuk City. 8 minutes, 2 seconds. Ito, binabati ko nga pala ang aking anak na nanonood ngayon. Si Aaron Velarde at malamang kasama ang kanyang nanay. Si Mama Pekin. Okay. Siyempre, nanonood din ang aking isa pang anak. Ang pasaway. Si Miguel Mikong. Gising ka na ba? 7 minutes 56, 36, 47. At siyempre sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, binabati ko po kayo ng isang magandang umaga. 7:56, 36, 47. So itong team naman ng Tabuk mag-a-apply ng pressure. Lot of picks going on. Rimando, no. Rimando again. Finally, 49-36. 13-point lead for Baguio City. Abakan, ibababa ang bola. Bayog. Naku, naistilan ng bola. Itong Tabuk. Ito na si Mondina. Binagsak ang bola kay number 17. That's on Mariano. And immediately, itong Tabuk City tatawag ng timeout. 51-36. This is now a 15-point lead for Baguio City. So far, so good. Yung pong pressure defense na ina-apply po ng Baguio City is working. They are going to stick on that defense. 7-21, 51-36 ang ating score.
Tabuk City Basketball.
Inuulit po natin, ang mananalo po dito automatically enters the finals. Kaya, at mamaya din po ang Benguet naman versus Abra maghaharap para din po sa right to go into the finals. Traveling Kabado.
Tabuk Baguio Basketball.
Good size crowd dito sa CCD's Gymnasium, the home of the Admirals. Mariano, titira na naman ng tres. Wala. Abakan behind the back. Mundo. Ambit Jr. for 3. No. Good back out by Baguio City. Ito na si Junicio. Tumatakbo Junicio. Euro step. No. Pero may foul. Laban kay number 11. I think that's on Ambit. Ambit Junior. So Junicio, binisita po yan sa free throw area para sa
Number 11, Ambit Juan Ronaldo.
2 free throws. And De Leon will check in
That's
for
his second
Mariano.
personal foul. 2 shots.
De Leon. Pesky guard. No, talaga namang makukulitan ka sa kanyang depensa. 6 minutes 20 seconds.
Forcing number 1, Armando Matthew. Armando Matthew, third personal foul.
6 minutes 20. Ambit and Junicio diving for the ball. Pero napanalunan nito ni Mundo.
Molina, iikot. Gana magpapasahan.
Nice reverse. Ganda ng pagkakakita doon ni Molina. Kay Abakan. Mondina for 3. Oh, lumabas yung kanyang tira. Ito na si Ambit. Ambit to Mundo. Kinukulit na naman ni De Leon. Back to Ambit. Ambit for 3. No. Rebound, Baguio City. De Leon now. Tumatakbo. Binigay ang bola kay Mondina. Fouled by Ambit Jr.
Number 11.
5 minutes 34, 38, 52.
Substitution.
This one will check in for Ambit. may foul pa na itatawag laban dito kay Abacan. 5 minutes 15. 38-55.
What? Basket foul.
Baguio City, inilalayo na po ang lamang dito. 38-55. Mondina, tingnan natin dito kung makukompleto niya yung kanyang bonus free throw. At yun na nga, naipasok na. So, 38-56, 18-point lead para dito sa Baguio City. Foul. Recent foul.
Foul. Jersey number 11 of Fabio Banday.
It is on Banday.
First personal foul.
38-56, 18-point lead. 5 minutes, 9 seconds. Abacan. Bitawan na naman. Ito na. De Leon. No, but Mondina. Naka-recover ng rebound pero naagawan. Sayang. Another turnover for Abacan. Nabibitawan na ni Abacan yung bola. 4 minutes 50 seconds, 38-56. Mapupuno na naman itong ating CDC team dahil alam po natin the host province ang Benguet will battle ito pong Abra. So balik po tayo sa ball game. Nice shot by Madriaga. 38-58. This is now a 20-point lead being enjoyed by Baguio City. Ito na si Mundo. Kinukulit na naman ni De Leon. De Leon sa ilalim. Reverse. Ito po yung sinasabi natin kung gaano po ka-pesky o gaano kakulit. Ito pong si De Leon pagdating sa depensa. O kung saan-saan mo ito nakikita. But Tong will be called for a foul. 4 minutes 17.
Foul. Jersey number 7, Tumil Ivan. That's the first personal foul. Young Knowledge represents all
38 of course.
And
So, pinabati po natin na magandang umaga. Siyempre, one of the sports supporter.
Leon 7. That's your second personal foul penalty.
4 minutes, 11 seconds. 38-60. Mamaya po, ang tabayanan po ninyo yung pong susunod na laro dahil puno na po itong CCDC gym dahil maglalaro po ang host province ang Benguet. Ito na ang Baguio City, tumatakbo. Tong. To number 11, that's Bandaay.
Jersey number 5 of
4 minutes, 5 seconds.
Rocky Jr.
40 seconds.
That's your second personal foul. 2 shots.
40-16. Bandaay. First free throw is good. Substitution here, Collado and Direza. Mapalitan naman itong si Molina. 4 minutes, 5 seconds. 22 points for Four minutes. Pasok ang tira nito matubog. 3:54. Madriaga. Hanahanap itong si De Leon. De Leon to Tong. Tong. Dangatan. Good cut by Madriaga pero nabitaw ng bola pero recovered pa rin kaya nang nakuha ng tabok. Jereza. Kabadu. Abakan, good pick by Jereza. Abakan, no basket. De Leon is fouled by Mundo. 3 minutes 23. Both team in penalty. Ang score natin 42-62. 20-point lead being enjoyed by Baguio City.
That's a second. Right, sorry, third personal foul.
De Leon, first free throw, no good.
Second envelope.
3 minutes 23. So far, so good for Baguio City. Ito talaga ang kanilang bread and butter. Yung pong pressure defense na kanilang ina-apply dito sa Tabuk City. Look at how Baguio suffocating defense. De Leon, two. Ito pa rin. Pressure. Look at De Leon and Bandaay. These two guards are really, sumasakit ang ulo dito ng player ng mga cover and nakatres pa itong si Collado. 246, 45, 65. Bandaay, back to De Leon. De Leon, naghanap ng papasahan. Tutong. Bandaay, nag-cut itong si Madriaga. Madriaga, gamit ang board. Pero tatawagan ng foul. Madriaga, ikot ng ikot itong player na to. Always looking for a space. Maganda sa kanya, no? Lagi siyang naghahanap. Hindi pumasok yung unang free throw nitong si Madriaga. Ito. Pasok. Kung si Kapuyan papasok at papalitan itong si Jereza ng Tabuk. 2 minutes 32, 45, 66, 21-point lead for Baguio City. So ito na naman yung kanilang pressure defense. De Leon and Bandaan. What a tandem. Tutuluyan na nga itong si Kapuyan. That's a traveling violation. 2 minutes 17. 21-point lead para dito sa
Baguio City.
Thank you. Okay. So later on, ano nga po yan? Maxi! Carantes, 2 minutes 9 seconds, 45-68. Diin na po ang Baguio City dito. Ambet. Wala. Matamlay yung kanyang tira doon. Ito na si Bandaay. De Leon. Tong indiretso. Tong anak na papasaan. Wala. Abakan. Nakuha ang bola. Abakan. Good defense. Block by Madriaga. 144. Itong si Madriaga just stood his ground. Sabi nga nila iba pa rin ang matangkad. 1 minute 44. Kapuyan. Fouled by Madriaga.
Number 69. Number 29, Madriaga, that's the first personal foul.
1 minute 33, 45, 68.
Jersey number 11, Ambit Juan Ronaldo. That's his fourth personal foul. Bye. Running two. City basketball. Substitution.
1 minute 13 seconds, 47, 68.
Substitution.
Third quarter. One minute. Abakan. Good pick by Kapuyan. Abakan for three. No. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng tabok. Suki ang bola. Ito bola ng Baguio City. 51 seconds. 68, 47. Good sa foul on number 11 kay Bandaay. Ito mo naman. Maganda no, yung depensa nitong numero 5
Of Baguio, Banday Burns.
Abakan.
That's his second personal foul.
47. So, habang nag-free throw ang ating player ng Tabuk City sa Abakan. Nga pala, ito pong CCDC Cordillera Career Development College. Ang mga programa po nilang ino-offer para po sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating mga estudyante, no? Ang elementary, ang basic education, elementary, senior high, and high school. Meron din pong PRC board courses, katulad po ng accountancy, criminology, elementary education, secondary education, at ang Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. Meron din po silang non-board courses at ang technical vocational courses. Meron din po postgraduate programs. 39.1 seconds. 47.68.
Abangan
21-point lead. Junicio on the line for his 2 free throws. Both teams in penalty. Nagmamadali itong si Junicio. 39.1. Split charities for Junicio, 39 seconds. Abakan, pressured again by Bandayan. Kapuyan for the offensive putback. 25 seconds in the third quarter. Junicio looking for Carantes. Maxi. Hanap ng si Arcilla. Arcilla fake. Back to Carantes. Carantes 18-footer. Wala. Kapuyan para sa rebound. Ito na si Abakan. Abakan against Bandaay. Double team. Itong si Abakan. Nahanap. Itong si Guzman. Short ang kanyang tira. The third quarter. Ayan, so, siyempre, itong, meron din pala, itong CCDC, meron po tayong Admiral's Farm Park. Ayan, maganda to, para doon sa mga family and company day camps, overnight stay and accommodation. Meron din po silang nature hikes, wall climbing, net climbing, picnics and camping. Meron din pong low rope challenge at tapaw 360-degree view at Tapao Tree House Climbing. And then Kampay or Kampao Station Cafe and Kampao Station Restaurant. So, yan po yung Admiral's Farm Park. So, doon po sa mga gustong mag-company outing, your family, pwede po kayo pumunta dyan sa Admiral's Farm Park. Daan po sa may, tama ba? No? Okay, so nagbabalik po tayo sa ating ball game para po sa
Of the fourth quarter.
pagsisimula ng ating fourth and final quarter. Again, Baguio City versus Tabuk City. Ang mananalo po dito automatically enters into the finals. Fourth and final quarter, Junicio fake. Nabitawan ng bola, nakakuha ng Tabuk, pero ito, turnover at naka-score pa itong si Junicio. 49-69 o 49-71. Ibinaon na po ng todo dito ng Baguio City ang Tabuk. 9:49.
Juan Ronaldo. That's your fifth.
On the floor for Baguio City, we have Mondina, Mariano. We have Rimando, Baklig, and of course, Junicio. At para naman sa koponan ng Tabuk City, we have Mundo. We have Guzman. We have Bayog, Molina, and Abacan para sa Tabuk City. 9:46. 49-71. Mamaya, antabayanan din po ninyo ang paghaharap din ng ating elementary basketball. Maghaharap po ang Baguio City at ang Abra naman. Ambit. Or that is, I'm sorry. Ito number 30 pa ngayon. Si Guzman. 9 minutes 20. Mariano for 3. Wala. Good box out by Tabuk. Foul on Junicio. It's a reach and foul. 9 minutes 6 seconds. 52-71.
Jersey number 5, Tunisia John Lorenzo. That's your
So 19.8
third personal foul.
ang lamang ng Baguio City. 9 minutes 4 seconds. Abacan. Nice crossover move by Abacan pero wala yung ganyang tira. Baklig para sa rebound. Junicio. Muntik na mag-travel doon. Junicio 2 points. 8 minutes 51.
Tunisia John Lorenzo, 2.
8:46. 15 shot clock. Bayo. Wala. Ito na naman ang Baguio. Rimando. Easy 2 points.
Rimando Matthew,
8:23.
2.
52-75. Mundo. To Abacan. Abacan. Behind the back. Abacan, no. 8 minutes. Junicio. Masyado malakas yung pasa. Balik po ang bola dito sa Tabuk City.
Basketball.
.34, 52-75. 7 minutes 19 seconds.
Jersey number 22, the Big Tiger team. That's your second personal foul.
Seven minutes, 11 seconds. Bayog. Malakas yung kanyang free throw. Junicho. Good drop to Baklig. Remando. Chance for Remando to complete a 3-point play. Labas muna itong si Junicho at ipapasok na naman itong si De Leon.
Usman Aldridge, that's your first personal foul.
Wala. Naku! Nakatunganga lang doon yung Tabuk City. 79-52. Abakan to Bayog. Guzman, back to Abakan. Abakan di diretso sa loob. Abakan. Wala. Ito na ang Baguio. Tumatakbo. Mariano looking for Remando. Remando di diretso. So easy 2 points. 60 straight basket for Remando. Mundo. Guzman for 3. Wala. Remando para sa rebound. Ito na si De Leon. Mondina. Back to Baklig. Baklig. Baklig again. Still no basket for him. 5:57. Kapuyen to Abakan for 3. Wala. Tabuk City possession. Substitution here. Serfino, Collado, Banday, and Orpilia. Lalabas naman itong si Bayog and Guzman together with Mondina. 5 minutes 36. Pero may foul, I think, on number 22. That's on Baklig. 5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Of Baguio City, the Big Tiger team. That's your third personal foul.
.520. Another basket for Baguio. That is on Orpilia. Mundo. Sergino, wala. Last
Substitution.
Baguio City, substitution here. Computer, Galinato. I think Galinato's first appearance here in the fourth quarter. 53-83. This is a huge 30-point lead para sa Tabuk City.
Players announce the Tabuk City basketball.
4:51.
Anthony Gordon save.
For 20. 53-83.
Substitution. Substitution. Ball out of bounds. No basket. Jersey number 22. That's Lee Tyler James, offensive foul. But Lee Tyler James, that's your fourth personal foul. Gabriel Chambers, 3. Baguio City Basketball. Rebound violation. Dodger City basketball. And remaining 31 seconds. But Lee Tyler takes two. And final play. Announcing the result of the game. Baguio City versus the City. Winner, Baguio City.